Based in Normandy, the Cotral Lab has been developing high-quality, customized hearing protectors for over 30 years. Both in France and overseas, 250 individuals are on hand to advise you, give you information and, of course, produce and deliver your hearing protectors. The first stage involves taking an ear impression, which is carried out on your site and accompanied by training on noise risks for your employees. The ear impressions of each of your employees are then paired with a QR code and sent to Cotral Lab. Once we receive them, the impressions are controlled using highly specific criteria to guarantee maximum efficacy for the future wearer. They are then digitalized and modeled. This modeling step showcases Cotral Lab's know-how and expertise. Then, production begins. Using high-resistance biocompatible resin, the leading-edge technology of each of our 3D production machines prints customized hearing protectors with optimal precision. This is what enables Cotral Lab to offer you some of the highest quality and most effective hearing protectors in the world. The hearing protectors are then cleaned and polymerized before the finishing step, polishing, which provides optimal comfort for the user. Your hearing protectors undergoes one final control before being fitted with its accessories, handles and filters. Your hearing protectors are then stored and processed by our automated system, which pairs together the left and right protectors for each of your employees before rounding up all of your equipment. They are then packaged in personalized boxes. The packages are then ready to be shipped out to you. Each year, we produce more than 300,000 pairs of customized hearing protectors. For over 30 years, Cotral Lab has protected the hearing of more than 2 million professionals. Now, Cotral Lab is also protecting your eyes with customized safety goggles which can be adapted to your vision.